Hey guys, it's Lucy, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Valentine's cards for my friends at school. So, I cut this piece of paper. It's about half of a piece of paper. And what you're going to want to do is get all the red and pinks that you can find and write something on it like "Be my Valentine" or "Happy Valentine's Day." So, I'm just going to write Happy Valentine's Day. I'm using a pink marker. So it says Happy Valentine's Day. And what you're going to want to do is draw some hearts. Just a couple hearts is good. You don't want to overdo it with the hearts. So here it is. And then what you're going to want to do is I have some of this ribbon, and you're going to want to measure it to the bottom. This to the bottom of your Valentine's card. So then get my scissors. And then you want to snip it. And then mine is about this length. Then you're going to want to get some tape. And then you're going to want to tape it on just like that. So I'm just taping it across the bottom. You don't want to tape just the ends because you'll see why. Because at the end of the video, you'll see why you can't just, you have to tape a couple of pieces on. You can't just tape the front and end so it's like this. You can open. You want to tape 4 pieces of tape at least. Maybe 3 or 4. So mine looks just like this. And I have these little packs of gummy bears. And what you're going to want to do is put it in the middle and then fold it just like this. You could snip a little bit of the end if you're not using it. And then, place that in the middle and then fold over both sides. But before we do this, the best thing of all, well, not really the best thing is the gummy bears, but I have some of these stickers. I have a bunch of them. So I think I'm going to choose this one. And I'm just going to place a couple stickers on. There. And then you put the little gummy bears in the middle and fold it up just like this. And then you're going to want to get some tape. And just tape it. And then you could get another sticker. I think I'll use this. And then you're going to want to just put it over the tape. And then you're going to want to fold up the bottom. Just like that, fold it. And then you're going to want to, if you hear coughing in the background, it's just my little brother. He's a little sick. And then just tape it on that. And then just tape the end like this. Or actually, you could use a sticker. So, tape. There, so just like this. And then write who it's for. So just write 2 like that, and then write your friend's name. So just like that, and then here you have your valentines for your friends. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you could get this at Dollarama, any almost like dollar store. I have this other kind that you could also get. They're like little hearts. And these stickers I got from Dollarama, all these things, except for the markers and the tape. And I have a whole drawer, literally, of gummy bears. So you can get these all at Dollarama, and I hope you enjoyed this video and that your friends love your Valentine's cards. Bye. Have a nice day.